Khubor ka Batisi TV, lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jilla uba Renington Lingdo Tongkar ubadai Chairman Jongka Regional Committee ne ka benta ka West Khasi Hills haga khalai tri ko buna risau arajar arpuai ulaong bakatto katne ki Ïakajia pod happening ke Jilla Meghalaya bat ke Jilla Assam an sala aban Pynkut no Hynriew Snem arajar arpuai Kani ka committee ka bala khle da uba Renington but sa Tylli ki waypat ki other regional committees bala thau da ka Sarkar Jilla kila sha binshet na ka benta ban bishar banya ye ki Jaka badon ka Ïakajia pod bat ka Jilla Assam ki ba kinthop ya ka Tarabari ka Gizang pat ka Hahim ki ba Hapoh ka West Khasi Hills district nang tade ka Boklapara bat ka Khanapara Pilangkata ki badon Hynriew district bat ka Rata Chera ka badan East Gentia Hills district habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uba Renington uliatho baga Sarkar Meghalaya kala bu thong ban pendep no Ïakajia penbait pura ya upur usam bat ka Jilla Assam na ka benta ki Hynriew Tylli ki Jaka ba khamjuat ka long la kumno hashwa ban kut ka samoy trekam Snem arhajar arphulai.
Most probably all the three regional committee has had a joint inspection, if I'm not mistaken. Hynriew, I know for sure they have done on 9. I think even Gentia Hills also maybe on that same day they have done. So all these three committee has completed the inspection, the joint inspection. I mean one round of joint inspection. Of course it needs several rounds because we cannot go to all those villages. So we will be going to all villages we feel we need to visit. I am hoping that the area that I'm heading as chairman, we can solve minimum 50%. I hope we'll be able to solve minimum of 50%. So that good sign is there. You see, the solution means it should be acceptable to both. So that is the solution. So whether, of course, we wish that people from Meghalaya should stay back in Meghalaya. That is what we wanted. But that should be accepted to Assam side also. Yeah, in our jurisdiction, I think there is no agitation so far. That has happened in Hynriew area. So, of course, we are concerned to see that. And we wish those people should come on that day itself to explain, to express. They are free to express. And it's okay because, see, the visit, it does not mean that that is the end and that is the decision. Just after the visit also people, they are still free to come up, to speak out, to express whatever they have in their mind. So we welcome those people who express what they feel. We welcome that. And if it happened in the area, in my area also, we are happy to see people. They are free to come up and say and express whatever they feel like to say. People from Shillong, including me, we will not understand the real problem faced by the people in the border. So we need to respect their views and opinion of those people living there. That's why the purpose of going to visit, to go to the border, to go to the villages is that motive, to meet people and to understand their views and opinion. Because people over there, they are so eager, they are so serious to find a solution. So we need to respect them. And I think about the allegation of not giving an inch, we are all agree. Our land, why should we give? If there is proof that it's our land, we should not give even an inch. But that we need to prove that it's our land. So that is the thing, and we wish the situation will not arise that we'll have to give our land. The situation will not arise. that Meghalaya will surrender the land to Assam. But people will not be misled. Otherwise, it tends to misleading people also by putting rigid, by showing people that we are not going to understand each other, or we are not going to respect each other. But in another way also, if you take positively also, it's good, showing that we have the strength and we will claim our own land, our own right. It's okay. You see, whatever statement you say, if you look positively, you see positive thing. But if you look negatively, you'll see negative thing in it. So it's okay. Let us just that as a responsible leader, we have to move on and find a solution. It's there. From Meghalaya side, we have the documents to claim. Assam also, they have got their own documents to claim. There was also a constitutional boundary. To justify, we will stand on our own and justify that we will justify our own right and claim. Assam also, they will do that. But by strengthening that, I really don't see a solution. Of course, we have our ground to justify our right, but at the end of the day, it is very, very important to see the people's perception. So that we are doing, and of course the 5 factors that has been given, on those factors we will base while deciding. So there's no one way solution on this. We really want that to resolve during this term. We really want that. So let's see up to what extent. I hope that if not all, but to some extent, we can really go beyond status quo. We will be able to do that. But it's too early for us to know and to say how many villages, how many areas we can solve. But I have high hope that we will be able to solve. Even this year itself, if we really, if both Chief Minister can spare their valuable time, because some of the location they want to go, both Chief Minister to go personally. So if they can really take their time, I think even within this year also, we hope that some location can be solved within this year itself. People are very happy to see that both the government, they are serious now in solving this problem. They are eagerly waiting whenever we go. You could see that they are eagerly waiting and they want to see the solution, because it's not good. Even though some of them, they are jokingly saying that we enjoy from both the state, but that they know that it will not last for long. And in case that is only in some pocket, there are some villages who are trying to enjoy from both the state. But majority of people, they are happy to see the solution and to be clear about the border. To be very frank, I'm not satisfied with the development taken up so many years, and I think that was another reason which this problem is still there. Had it been government before developed the border, I think it would be clear and our people will be comfortable in doing business or in doing farming in the border. But because there is no proper road communication, even electricity, proper electricity is not there, many developmental work is still required at the border. And I think this is one of the reasons. I have spoken also several times in the assembly that it's very, very important to develop the border all across the border with Assam. And I have even proposed that if state of Meghalaya can make a road, good road all across the border, it will really help to determine even the border, that this side will be Meghalaya and that side will be Assam. Wow, it will be wonderful if we can do that. But anyway, now since we are already in the process of solving, we can do later on. We can make a road later on also. It's okay, but we need to solve now and to decide to clearly clarify which village fall under which state. That is, we are on the job to do that now. That too, we, of course, is beyond our jurisdiction, so the government will do its part on that. I mean, all departments, they should do that.